Hello, I am Fire. Before I begin, I want to go over what inspired me to create this project. I've just liked making my projects before, so I wanted to create one that was fun and connected to math. I came up with the idea to use Minecraft as a good foundation for both mathematical concepts and fun. First off, I had to think of how I wanted my work to be shown in a creative way. At the beginning of the session, I knew I wanted to create a video for my math project. Though when the session started, I had trouble coming up with what I wanted to put in the recording. Then it hit me. I found a clever and unique way to explain true grit in math. I decided I would use Minecraft Redstone. Alright. The way my project connects to true grit is by the representation of a piston puzzle. The player has to persevere by solving the puzzle to get to the end, and I had to persevere in making the project itself. Having to find ways to connect to math and showing my determination of creating this work, for example, when I changed the version of Minecraft and accidentally wiped all my work while preparing for the video recording. All of my work was deleted in the Minecraft void. Afterwards, I had to rebuild everything, which for me was true grit. Now I'm going to explain the basic components of Redstone Minecraft. The equation for pistons is average velocity equals this piston divided by the change in time. The piston here is the displacement. The average velocity is how fast it's moving. The change in time is used by this redstone clock. You can see how the clock powers the piston and makes it move forward by one. And changing the clock's time speed, it will make the piston's velocity higher. The piston moves 4 times a second than it does when it is powered with a slower clock. This is a sticky piston. Sticky pistons are used to push and pull force. By placing a block there, it will move it forward and backwards. It works about the same as pistons do the same thing, except after sticky substance. Clocks can be used in many different ways. For example, when showing with this redstone lamp, if you turn it on, it lights up. Over here, you can see different pieces of repeaters. That affects the speed of the redstone circuit. When at full tick, it will be slower, medium tick, a bit slower, and there is no time between the one that has no repeater. There are also redstone comparators. Redstone comparators have 3 different lines of circuits that can be attached to. There is Circuit A, Circuit B, and Circuit C. Here we can see that B has a smaller circuit size, which makes it stronger than A. This makes it so C does not get powered. The way this will connect to math is that the output, which is C, equals rear times left. If left is greater than or equal to rear, then C will not be powered. If right is greater than or equal to rear, then C will not be powered. If rear is greater than or equal to B over here, the left, then C will be powered. You can see this in the different examples I've made over here. A, the rear, has a longer circuit, which makes the power weaker than B right over here, which is closer to the redstone torch. Here you can see that B is not powered, which makes it so A can go straight in and power C. Although B here is powered, it has a longer circuit, which makes the redstone line weaker than A, which powers C. This is my piston puzzle. We are trying to get this redstone piece up to the diamond block. To start this, we must push all of these buttons to power the piston, and do it in a timely manner, otherwise the piston will not push the block in time. As you can see, after completing the whole entire puzzle, the redstone fell straight into the diamond hole. While you may have thought that this could have been a diamond block, it was not. And if I had accidentally used these other pistons instead of others, it would mess up the puzzle and you would have to restart. Of course, since I created this puzzle, I already know how to use it, and therefore did not fail at completing the course. In conclusion, Minecraft is an awesome game that can use redstone to represent mathematical concepts and procedures.